Hello design lovers! In today's video we are discovering the world of kitchens, trends, materials, cool features, pricing and hardware. But first, let me introduce you to SKÖNA Design. I've been working with SKÖNA for the past 10 years. We successfully completed almost 20 projects together. Kitchens, vanities, TV and media units, closets, commercial projects and more. SKÖNA is my #1 destination for custom cabinetry. Let's see their showroom.
Let's go! Yeah, let's go! Come on. Hey, let's do it.
Let me introduce you to Bruno Santos. He is a designer and sales manager at SKÖNA Design. He will be answering all my questions and giving us the insights about kitchen design and manufacturing.
Hi Maria, welcome to SKÖNA.
Let's start with this gorgeous kitchen. Check out the island. I love the openness and the edgy look. If you want to impress your guests and you have enough storage in your kitchen, this design is definitely for you.
Welcome to our contemporary peekaboo kitchen here. Why not hide your kitchen with this contemporary sliding system? Dual option of what you can do from an office all the way to a kitchen, kitchenette, dual spacing. With different materials, you can choose with walnut, chevron, veneer, all the way to decorative panel, the charcoal finish, faux leather as options as well, matte or high gloss, so you can choose full.
Chevron Pattern is extremely popular now. I love the contrast in this kitchen. Chevron Pattern adds a touch of sophistication, so classy and chic. This countertop is made of a porcelain slab. When you choose this material for a countertop, be sure you find a fabricator who knows what he's doing.
Extremely popular option right now that people are researching and asking about. Porcelain is in high demand with this 1/2 inch and tons of options of textures and materials of what you can look at as patterns. Just make sure, do your homework, this is not for everybody.
With its sleek lines, bold metal accents and modern aesthetics, this kitchen exudes a masculine feel that would fit perfectly into a bachelor's home. Let's see another kitchen.
Maria, come check out this kitchen. This is our 23 collection, our most contemporary Scandinavian design with arches and different textures of materials.
This beautiful kitchen follows the new deco trend. Arch shapes and reeded surfaces are very popular now. Check out this paneled wall. If you have a room to hide like a powder room, pantry or mudroom, this is the solution. Bruno, tell us more about this system. Bruno?
Maria, don't worry, I'm here.
So tell us more about the system. How does it work? How is this achieved? What hardware are you using?
So there's many options of doing this kind of system now. We call it this concealed door. Like you had mentioned, you can do it in many ways and options. Most popular right now is a hidden door into a pantry, or even giving you the feel of a concealed paneled appliances. So there's a lot of ways you can do it. This kitchen provides different textures and forms, blended materials giving you the luxury feeling all in one. From decorative panel, which mattes and high glosses or textures, to MDF custom painted arches all the way around, with fluted that we can design in many materials and species. Plus, it creates a visual interest and technical aspect as well.
What about storage when you have a kitchen with arch-shaped cabinets?
Our goal at SKÖNA is to make every kitchen functional, but also give you the stunning design aspect with some open or closed concepts, like a piano closed hinge cabinet with storage, to this reeded design all the way around the island.
These reeded panels create so many opportunities for a kitchen design. I personally love the new trend on round shapes. It makes interiors more flowy and feminine. Many people shy away from the colors when it comes to kitchens. But I would say, why not? Look at this beautiful color combination in this kitchen. You have a turquoise, you have a beige and natural wood. Everything looks so harmonious here. Bruno, I think it's time to check out another kitchen.
Let's do it.
Look at this beauty. I love the gray walnut cement combo in this kitchen. The level upper cabinets always look good. If you like this look, you need to have either induction or electric cooktop. The gas cooktop requires the vent hood to be installed higher and you won't get the sleek look. What I like about this kitchen is also the island that serves as a dining table. When you have a limited space, this is a great solution. I see an interesting thing here. Bruno, tell us more about this product.
Definitely. Maria, this is not a sink. This is the workstation. This is made by the Galley. This is the kitchen more than just about making meals. This is the heart of every home. It's a prep, cook, serve, entertain, and clean station. Comes in many sizes, many layouts, and also in different finishes as well for all your inserts.
Bruno, what finishes does it come in and what is the wait time?
So it comes in several finishes from walnut, bamboo, to matte colors from a black, white, or gray. And it's made out of a 16 gauge stainless steel full one piece. Timeline, it depends on the size, but you're looking at about just a week to get this delivered and potentially installed.
Oh, a week, that's fairly quick.
Yeah.
Nice. Bruno, so if I order the sink, what exactly do I get?
You get everything you see here, from a cutting board to movable trays for straining, to dry racking, and a solid piece top close so that you can make it into a continuous one-piece counter.
It's convenient to have a sink on the island, but no one likes the mess it creates. This is a great product worth every penny. Let's move on to the next kitchen.
Let's do it. Let's go.
This kitchen impresses me. Let's see it in detail. Bruno, what material are we looking at?
This is our veneer collection. Right now you're looking at our white oak rift cut veneer. Comes in custom stains here at SKÖNA with integrated metal channels to house appliances or pantry doors, all the way to our solid wood integrated door as well that you can do for a pantry or closet, you name it, endless possibilities.
Beautiful design and material. Bruno, and what is this material?
This is the Phoenix collection we offer. This material comes in 20 matte finish options. Not only Phoenix is soft touch, extreme matte, resistant to fingerprints, it's also highly resistant to scratches, abrasions, acid-based household materials. Smooth.
Yeah, I can feel it, and it doesn't leave any fingerprints.
No, it's next level high pressure laminate material. Look at that.
Wow, magic. Corner elevator.
Yes.
You serious?
I know. It's a corner solution that takes over a magic corner Lemez system for easy functionality.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So I press this?
Yeah, with the touch of a button, you can control it up or down, has a safety lock for children, and holds 40 pounds each shelf.
So you can actually hide your kids here.
If you wanted to.
One of the features of this kitchen is the see-through display cabinets. Bruno, please tell us how it's done.
SKÖNA offers different glass metal options. You're looking at our contemporary 1-inch metal inlaid black frame doors, which you can pick from many glass options like clear glass all the way to textured glass. Another option is a popular MDF custom frame glass as well that will help you reduce the cost.
It's good to have many options and such a beautiful display unit. Notice the lighting in this kitchen. This kick lighting makes the kitchen look like it's floating off the floor. Bruno, are these cabinets open?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they are. Look at that.
Integrated into the wall to take advantage of every square inch.
I like how the corners are done. Check it out.
You're looking at one of the most requested island details. This is our continuous integrated metal handle channel, giving you the impression of side storage on an island.
This kitchen is a great mix of contemporary style and technology. Let's see a transitional kitchen now. This kitchen features built-in appliances, semi-transparent glass upper cabinets, and a beautiful metal vent hood. Bruno, what material this hood is made of?
This is our custom MDF angled hood with our full built-in chrome metal piece. We work with many suppliers to build unique custom metal work with us. This is our highly requested micro shaker door, customized in our house with our full CNC machine, designed in many styles and fully custom painted.
Notice the handles. Such little detail, but adds so much charm to this kitchen. Shall we see the inside of the cabinet?
Go ahead. Interior options from linen to wood textured materials.
Beautiful. Bruno, please explain to us about pricing. What is it based on? What materials are the most expensive ones? And if you have a budget-friendly line?
Our pricing is based on material selection and layout options with customized heights, widths, to help make our budget more sustainable for additional other rooms if necessary, from closets to mudrooms to vanities to even a possible second kitchen. We also offer the Neat Collection. This is to reduce your cost with limitations on materials of colors, from sizes to not affect your construction and to the installation part as well.
Bruno, thank you so much for showing around and being with us today.
It was a pleasure, Maria.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned something new about kitchens today. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. SKÖNA Design's Instagram page and contact information are in the link under this video. Bye for now.
I need to see what it said. This is our most modern,
Bruno.
Maria.
Sorry.
I thought you were gonna go over there.
Sorry.
Definitely. And then I need my script.
This kitchen impresses me. Sorry.
Don't worry, I want to do the same.